What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Stacks from Scratch. It is me, your host, your favorite homegirl on this whole internet, Mrs. Latoya Slater. And that's right, you already know if you've been here before, you can just call me Toya. Today, I am going to walk you through step by step with the special prompt to help you create your own action figure. This is going to help you customize it to look like yourself or whatever you're trying to make it resemble. Maybe it's your pet. I don't know. But I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create your own action figure package. Okay. Now, a lot of people making money with this. They download these for people and selling them on platforms like Etsy, Pinterest, and this is how they doing it. So if you want to use this to make money, you could be selling these PDFs. Some people even selling them as t-shirts, picture frames, whatever. But let's just show you exactly how to make it. Then you can figure out how to capitalize off of this knowledge. First thing you're going to do is prompt ChatGPT with a special prompt. And I already have it. So I'm just going to paste it here, and we definitely need to read it so you'll know exactly what to do here. Now, you're going to ask Chat to create a 3D action figure toy named, and I said TJ Jr. here because I've been making these all night. I get so excited on here. But this one I'm going to call Dr. Kimura. Make it look like it's being displayed in a transparent plastic container, parenthesis, insert style, semicolons, blister packaging model. Okay, and you're going to want to try to follow this prompt to the letter. Okay, it's only changing your personal customizations. Okay, next you're going to say the figure should resemble the photo on the top of the packaging. There is large writing. Now we're going to go ahead and attach our photo since we just said that. Looks like I need to log in. So if you don't already have a account with Chat, you can't open one up, so you'll be able to use this feature. And then yes, it is totally free. So let's go back in with the same prompt. I'm just going to control V since I already had it copied. 1 minute, y'all. All right, so now that we've returned, let's go ahead and read the prompt out loud. You're going to create a 3D action figure toy named, and put the name that you want to see on the top of your doll. So right here, I'm going to put Dr. Kimura. Make it look like it's being displayed in a transparent plastic container. Insert style blister packaging model. The figure should resemble the photo. So we're going to try this again. Let's go ahead and upload the photo while we have ChatGPT ready. And this doll I'm creating is of one of my daughters. Let's go recent. See if we can find that picture of her that's not on a flyer. And then we want a fresh face picture. And you see where I'm getting mine from, but you could get yours, download whatever picture you want to use, whatever picture face you want your doll to resemble, whether it's a real person, cartoon, what have you. You will be able to download it and use it. So let's see. I don't see my baby in there. Let's keep going down, see if I can find her. Here she go. Let's take her. We got her photo here, okay? So, the figure should resemble the photo. Let's keep going. On the top of the packaging, there is large writing. Insert text. What do you want it to say? I want mine to say Dr. Kimura. In white text. Then below it says insert a subtitle, and that's what my last one for my son, I wanted it to say warning, high performance, but for Dr. Kimura, why don't we say filters on deck. She's dressed in a diamond necklace, a red, let's say a doctor lab coat. and scrubs. And I'm just going to add long, straight hair and put a parenthesis there. Keep going. Clear lens, Ray-Ban glasses, and red. Let's say, let's give her blue crops. Also, keep going. Add some supporting items for the job next to the figure. So you know how they have the little insert items on the side. We're gonna give Dr. Kimura a laptop. Insert a, what else does Dr. Kimura need? Stethoscope. Who can spell it? Let's try this. I forgot. Now you know this is not right. Stethoscope. Something wrong in there. Let's go back. Oh, maybe Chad will help us spell it. I think Chad will know what we're talking about. And we need another item here for Dr. Kimura on the side. Let's use maybe a beverage, boba tea, and earbuds. Let's say Beats headphone. Oh no, let's say iPad. Oh, we got a laptop, which is not spelled right. Okay. Stethoscope and a boba tea, and she gets one more item. Why don't we make that a chart? Clipboard. Alright, the package design, keep going. The package design is insert style, urban, sport, athletic, but we're going to change this to urban, professional, and astute. It's like that word. With a insert color, we'll change her background to pink. Insert color to a pink cardboard color background. The style is cartoonish. And that's it. This is the prompt. And let's see. It does take you a few minutes to generate this. So give it time. And while we wait, how have you been? I just want to ask you and get to know how everything has been flowing for you so far. I know that you're going along this journey with me to upload 400 videos to YouTube. And it sounds so big. The more I say it, the bigger it sounds. So on this journey, we're gonna upload 400 videos to YouTube. Woo-hoo. And as soon as I get to halfway there, I'm gonna throw a party. I'm gonna do something special, and I'm also going to be counting my subscribers as I go along, because when I get to 300 subscribers, I'm giving out something. I don't know what it is. I'm going to buy something and give it away to my subscribers. It might be an electronic device. It might be something you can use around the house. Maybe, I don't know, a dish stick, something. I don't know, ladies, but work with me, because we're getting really close to 300 subscribers, and then we'll be able to see, we'll unlock the key to the mystery. Okay, yeah, so things have been going a lot better for me. We started this channel giving us a goal of really pushing us to keep going no matter what. We're going to keep going till we see 400 videos uploaded here. I wonder, should I keep going after that? Because in my mind, I'm thinking I'm going to just quit Stacks for Scratch as soon as I get 400 videos and start a new channel. I don't know. What do you think? Do you think I'm just really being too hopeful? You think I will even reach 400 videos? It is a challenge, y'all. I have to be honest. A lot goes wrong. A lot I have to go back and retrace myself. A lot that I'm still ashamed of on the channel, mistakes that I made that I just can't even correct. So if we make it, I don't know, but we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going. All right, so Chad has completed our dog. Dr. Kimura, filth is on deck. And that does kind of resemble my baby. Now you'll be able to take this image and download it to your computer. And let's just open it up. And we'll say save. Now the image has been downloaded. Dr. Kimura got it going on. And these are what's being sold on Etsy. And I'll show you right quick. Let's go straight to Etsy and show you how much they selling for. Custom action figure. That's what they call them. But to me, I just say dolls. All right, and let's see what the ticket is. Wow, I don't think, okay, here we go. One for $9. Somebody put a party guide. Look, Mark the Handyman. Is this him? Actually, I don't know, but it say how it works. Place your order. Send a full body photo. Standing pose works best. Tell us the name or title to appear on the package and share up to 5 accessories that reflect the vibe. And this is the same info you're gonna request when you make the dolls the images that you're gonna make for these action figures for your customers. And you see they're going for $10 a photo. And just imagine you sell 5 a day. Come on, get it, girl. These are made to order. Look, James is really pleased with his. Can't believe how amazing this is. And some people are taking these images and putting them on their shirt, y'all. How cool is that? So Mark Handyman just got some free advertising right here on Stash from Scratch, showing that these are selling. They are selling. Let's see. This is a digital download that they're selling at the DigiDream Art Shop. Made to order. And it has over 300 reviews. 5 stars, yes. So plenty of people are buying these. So good luck with your journey. I just showed you how to get the bread, how to make the images, how to create this money, okay? Go on, share this with the homegirl who needs to see this. You know she got what it takes to get out here and get the bread. She just need a little help and a little direction. Show her this video. She might be able to find value in this and turn this into coins. Hey, thanks for watching, and go ahead and check out my next video.